What's going on, traders? So this is the weekly outlook video for the second week of July. So going back, I'm actually shooting this on 4th of July. So I hope you all have an amazing or had an amazing 4th of July weekend. So looking at the data, I just want to point out too today that we had non-farm payroll yesterday. So it came in early because markets were closed today, and the numbers were significantly higher, and not significantly, but a good pop, and unemployment numbers were lower. So does that mean that the Fed is going to lower interest rates, or if this is going to be strong for the dollar? That's the main thing I want to talk about today. In terms of data this week, it's pretty dead. We have the RBA on Monday, and then on Wednesday, FOMC meeting minutes. Usually not a big mover, so it's not like the FOMC, rate announcement or anything like that. Unemployment claims on Thursday, and that's about it, really, so GDP out of the UK, nothing massive. So if we take a look at that, now I'm on the 4-hour time frame here, taking a look at dollar CAD. The previous video that I had made, we were like right around here, right? So this is Thursday. Well, that was even further back. So that was the 5th. Here's the 25th, excuse me. And I was looking for this to be potentially the bottom, right? So, this could still hold on as support. So, and maybe we could see a rebound in some dollar strength, right? So I had the same level of support. This is the dollar index, and I was looking for us to break the support, which we have definitely done since the 25th of June. Now it's July 2nd, right? So this was, the 25th, July 2nd, and then of course today's the 4th. And, so now we have maybe potentially the last taken out here, and we might see some moves in the dollar. So, it's been holding up, it's been getting pretty whooped across the board. Here's the pound, GBPUSD, and it looked like we made another high here, right? So this is what we'd be looking at, and potential bear flag pattern on GBPUSD, and you can see on EURUSD basically an inverse of what we're looking at on the dollar index. So what I'm going to be looking for this week is potential dollar strength moving forward, and maybe we'll see some breakdowns here on Aussie dollar. I particularly like pound dollar. I think this looks like a pretty prepped up for a breakdown, especially if we break through this level, which was resistance. Now it's become support. If we break through here, I think a move to the downside's super probable. So that being said, hope you have an amazing trading week, and I can't believe it's already July. So summer trading's always a little bit calmer, but then once we get into August and especially September, things are really going to pick up steam. So that being said, from Top One Trader, we appreciate y'all. Happy trading. Good luck out there.